Smoothies are a great way to start off your morning because they are light and filling. So in this recipe, we're going to be making some peanut and banana smoothie, which is going to turn out so delicious. And also we're going to be making some strawberry and banana smoothie, which is going to be looking so good, very delicious and sweet. Both these smoothies are filled with lots of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. And if you're looking forward to create some delicious smoothies for pre or post workouts, these two recipes are just perfect. Grab the ingredients and let's get making these delicious smoothies. You're going to need a cup of fresh strawberries that are washed. Also, you need some watermelon and bananas together with some ice cubes, which are going to make the smoothie a little bit chilled. So into your blender, you're going to be adding in your banana, adding strawberries, ice cubes, and your watermelon. Your watermelon, strawberries, and bananas are all sweet, so your smoothie is going to be on the sweet side. But if you notice that your smoothie is not sweet, you can add in a tablespoon or two of fresh honey. I'm going to cover my blender and blend everything until smooth. Once my smoothie is ready, I'm going to pick a glass and serve up my strawberry and banana smoothie. For this nutty and delicious smoothie, you're going to need some bananas, and I'm going to be using for this recipe. I have a heaped tablespoon of peanut butter that is small, and also some milk together with ice cubes. So I'm going to slice my bananas into my blender. Add in your peanut butter, milk, and ice cubes. Cover your blender and blend until smooth. After a couple of seconds, this is how my smoothie is looking. So I'm going to transfer to a glass and just look how creamy it's looking. So yum. My peanut and banana smoothie is looking so awesome. As you can see, it's just gorgeous. And also we have our strawberry and banana smoothie, which is looking very delicious. It has a very nice reddish color from adding in the strawberries and watermelon. So these two smoothies are going to take less than 5 minutes to make, and they're going to turn out absolutely delicious.